be offense. You're going to catch the ball and bring it back to me. Molly, you're defense. You're going to try to get it away from Lily. Are you ready? Go! Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. The theme for today's video is football. It is football season and a lot of us are watching football games, going to cheer on our local football teams. So I thought today we would tackle organizing and cleaning out some of the drawers in my bedroom, and then I'm going to share a chili recipe with you guys that you can enjoy while you're sitting back and watching your favorite NFL game from home. I had 2 drawers in my bedroom that I was just kind of throwing stuff in, so I needed to just go through and straighten them out and clean out the drawer while I had everything out. Each drawer took me approximately 10 minutes, so if you have 10 minutes of extra time, you can do about 1 drawer each. And basically this was not a decluttering thing, it was just a refolding thing. I did manage to get rid of a couple of things, but I'm just going to put on some music and hopefully you guys can clean out a drawer or 2 along with me. would be fun in the comments if you guys would like to tell me your favorite NFL football team, your favorite college football team, or even your favorite high school football team. I just think that would be a really neat thing to know.
And that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Best friend, yeah, it hurts a bit. I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, my best friend. I walk between the raindrops. I am soaked, but I don't mind the cold. I have walked this street 1,000 times or more, and I hope that I still do when I'm old. Here, memories fly.
Now, to prepare a nice, easy recipe for football viewing, I'm going to make some chili. To make this chili, you will need 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 large onion chopped, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 1 can of kidney beans, 1/4 cup of red hot sauce, and 2 1 1/4 ounce packages of chili seasoning. As you can see, I'm just chopping up the onion and I'm going to brown the hamburger meat. I thought I would show you this cute little thing. If you do not have anything from Pampered Chef, this is by far one of my favorite items from Pampered Chef. It just helps to break down the hamburger meat. So I'm mixing my onions and the hamburger meat together. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to brown it. And once it is browned, I'm going to pour it into my crock pot. and add the other ingredients and let it cook on low for about 2 to 2.5 hours or until it's warm. This recipe is super easy and it is such a great thing to eat while you're watching a football game. You can pair it with just about anything you want to, cornbread, vegetables, chips, or you can just have a big bowl with a dollop of sour cream and some shredded cheese on top. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as I finish up my cooking. If you are new, I would love to have you in my YouTube family. Please click on the subscribe button and click on that bell so that you receive notifications each and every time that I post. And most importantly, take time to live, laugh, and love today.